In this video, I will give you an overview of all the Bud Brown products. His masterpiece and the most popular product is the Essential Cebuano multimedia course, which is a 171 pages ebook course, including 55 plus audio files and 50 plus videos. What is real nice with this course is that it includes 10 lessons with easy to follow conversation videos. And it also has an extensive grammar section, which alone has 20 plus videos. A great course, and if you buy the gold package, you have everything included. Now, people who bought Essential Cebuano also bought other Bud Brown products. So if you click on that link or go to thelovereports.com, you will see this phrase book, which is called Romantic Cebuano. This is a really nice phrase book, and if you click on the cover here, you will have a demo. If you click here, you can listen to the audio of these nice phrases. That is from section 1, but you also have these chapters, including all the audio files connected to them, and you have a couple of bonuses as well. And there are 100 plus phrases, and the audio is with a native speaker. If you're looking for Tagalog, it's similar, the same course, but it's a Tagalog. So if you click on watch review video, you have Bud and Gloria Brown themselves talking about this course. Exactly the same course, but in Tagalog. Bud Brown has also produced some reports. This one, for example, 5 Filipino English phrases you will not understand when you arrive in the Philippines unless you read this report. Really useful. And also very recommended is this one, 5 cultural conflicts you will have with a Filipina and how to resolve them peacefully. Really recommended report. And this one, non-verbal communication in the Philippines, gestures and movements you have to know about if you're planning to go there. And you have this comic book. He has collected little anecdotes in the form of cartoons and compiled all these cartoons into a little comic book, almost 60 pages. And it's from his rich life with his wife Gloria. It's called Living with a Crazy Filipino. It's really funny. Really funny. I recommend you to have this one. And it's a great report and a comic book there. Okay, so that's the product of Bud Brown so far, and I recommend you to take a look if you're interested to learn more about the culture, the language, everything about the Philippines and Cebuano and the Tagalog language. So thank you very much for watching this video. Click on the link below this video to go to the website essentialcebuano.com. Thank you. Bye-bye.